Question number 1. There is dash cockroach on the wall. Option B. A. There is a cockroach on the wall. Here we use A because we are talking about one cockroach and cockroach starts with a consonant sound. Question number 2. My chicken laid dash egg for the first time. Option A. And my chicken laid an egg for the first time. We use an because egg starts with a vowel sound. Question number 3. Please take dash key. Option C. The. Please take the key. We use the before key because it refers to a specific key that is already known. Question number 4. The dish will be ready in dash hour. Option A. And the dish will be ready in an hour. Here we use an before hour because hour starts with a vowel sound A, not the H sound. Question number 5. I see dash cockroaches on the wall. Option A. No article. I see cockroaches on the wall. Here we don't use a or an because cockroaches is a plural noun. We also don't use the because we are not talking about specific cockroaches. Question number 6. She wants to study at dash university. Option B. A. She wants to study at a university. Here we use a before university because university starts with a consonant sound Y, not a vowel sound. Question number 7. Choose dash number between 1 and 10. Option B. A. Choose a number between 1 and 10. We use a before number because we are choosing any one number randomly between 1 and 10. It's not a specific or known number. Question number 8. I eat food while looking at dash moon. Option C. The. I eat food while looking at the moon. We use the before moon because there is only one moon for Earth. We also use the before moon, sun, Himalayas, Nile, and so on because there is only one of each. Question number 9. We should obey dash rules I mentioned. Option C. The. We should obey the rules I mentioned. We use the because the rules are already known or have been mentioned earlier. Question number 10. I want to visit dash island on this vacation. Option A. And I want to visit an island on this vacation. Here we use an because island starts with a vowel sound. Question number 11. I don't like to take dash umbrella daily, so I take dash raincoat and walk while holding dash 1 rupee coin. What will come? Comment your answer.